In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a publication on Medium.com. If you want a dedicated space on Medium for a brand, a team, or a collection of articles around a specific topic, creating a publication is a great option. It gives you a more organized way to publish content and manage how it appears to readers. The good news is that getting started is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process on a computer. To begin, open Medium in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main Medium page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it to open the account menu. This menu contains several account and writing options, so take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one. From the drop-down list, select Manage Publications. This will take you to the section of Medium where you can view and control any publications connected to your account. If this is your first time setting one up, the page may look very simple, and that's completely normal. Once you're on the Publications Management page, look for the option that says Create a New Publication. Click that to start the setup process. At this point, Medium will guide you into creating the publication itself. This is the starting point where you will begin defining the space that will hold your future posts. When naming and setting up your publication, it's a good idea to think about the purpose of the content you plan to share. Choose something clear and recognizable so readers can easily understand what the publication is about. One helpful tip here is to make sure you're creating a publication only after logging into the correct Medium account, especially if you manage more than one profile. That can save you time later and help avoid confusion when you begin publishing or inviting contributors. If you don't immediately see the publication options after clicking your profile picture, try refreshing the page or checking that you're fully signed in. Medium's layout can occasionally shift slightly, but the profile menu in the top right is typically where you'll begin. And that's it for getting to the publication creation screen on Medium. From there, you'll be ready to continue setting up your publication and preparing it for articles, contributors, and readers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.